Hello friend, welcome back to our channel KBS Technocraft. Today we are going to explore how we can convert text into PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started. So for converting text into the PowerPoint presentation, we are going to use ChatGPT for generating the content, and then we will be using a PyCharm for execution of some Python code to generate text into the PowerPoint. So let's get started. So I'm going to open ChatGPT, right? I've opened ChatGPT now, and then right, right, and then I will write simple prompt. Give me PowerPoint content for solid principle, right? I'm just We can find any content. I'm just trying to find out the content for solid principle. So let's say consider is provided some content, right? Now, okay, give me Python code for convert it to in PPT. So pure content is more. What you can do, you can after certain limit. What does it say? It's stop, right? You just mention that content. Okay. So now we have got the Python code. Now what I'm going to do that I'm going to open Python editor for running the Python code. You can use any editor for Python, right? So I'm going to create a new project here, new project, right? And then I will give that text to PPT, right? And you can, okay. So my project got created. It's doing some environment setup. Okay. So project got created, right? Now what I can do, I can create a Python file here, new Python file, and then I can mention that solid PPT generator, any name we can give it, right? I give it. Now we have to go on the command terminal, and we have to run one command, basically a package which is required for converting this, right? So here you will be able to get it. So you have to just install this. That's a copy, and then I will go to the terminal, and I can paste it and click enter. It will be installed, right? Once installation complete, so installation is completed, right? Then we will go again to ChatGPT, and then we will copy this code but it's generated here, right? So we will copy this code, and then we'll go there, the newly created file, whatever we have it, right? We will just do control V, right? So you can see this code we have pasted here, right? Now you just simply run it. Okay, so you see presentation created. So where it will be created, if you see in the same directory, you have to go and you will be able to see. So I will go to that particular location, open in Explorer, right? So if you see text to PPT, this is what it is. This is solid principle. Whatever content a name we have given is created here. If you open it, like let's say is open now. So if you see, it contains some text information, whatever we have searched on ChatGPT. Now you can make more presentable. Let's say consider you want to make it more presentable. This, so you can select any of this. Let's say I selected this now, right? And if I go to the first phase and click on this, so if you see here, you will have a very basic skeleton based on the text whatever you have generated from the chat gpt. It will be created. If you need more details, right, details and more presentable, you can write the prompt in such a way it's generate proper text. If you have a right format of text, right, it will have more visible presentation, right? So I hope it will help you to understand how you can generate quickly in 2 minutes from text to ppt. So for any, just let me recap it, for any kind of content you can go chat gpt, or you can go on any web pages and then you can copy that and then you can paste it here. Ask that, please ask to generate the python code, and once it's generated you just need to copy it, and then you have to install a package. That package is basically for generating a ppt, so it's required a package. So that package, we have seen that we have installed it. So let me scroll down. Okay, so the package is that install Python PPTX, which will require for you to generating the PPT from the text. And then what I did it, you can use any editor. Currently, you can use VS Code or any editor. I just pasted that code, run it. I can see the output of this PPT, right? Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please don't forget to like and subscribe.